again, this is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos, bringing you another fantastic automobile. This is a 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Rally Sport, and it is a fully restored nut and bolt with some nice stuff under the hood and underneath the car. This car has a brand new ZZ4 350, 355 stock horsepower motor in it. That's a high performance engine out of GM. It also has sitting behind that a 5-speed Tremec that really makes this car a badass vehicle. Body and paint on this paint is the Mulsanne blue with the black rally stripes. And this is a true rally sport car. Documentation from Canada. It actually originated and sold in Canada and was imported in the United States. US spec car, of course. But this car is absolutely stunning from every line on it. When you look down the sides of this thing, the paint, this is a show quality car. No question, show quality car with absolutely beautiful finish. Absolutely stunning chrome on it. Finish on the paint is outstanding. That front end, it's the best looking front end ever built on these Camaros. Just look at the paint there. Look at how smooth that is. This paint is absolutely beautiful. Brand new BF Goodrich radial TAs, front disc brakes, of course. And this car is a badass. It's got their black, or actually I think it's Argent Gray Rally Sport wheels there. And offset sizes on the tires. And again, paint, body, absolutely beautiful and perfect. I mean, just, I hate to say anything's perfect, but somebody will always find a flaw. But I'll tell you, this is a show finished car. And it drives and performs like it as well. Look at every inch of this thing, it's just outstanding. Trunk, inside the trunk, underneath the cars. You guys will look at the pictures underneath the car, because I've got lots of those for you to see. When you look at this car, you'll absolutely agree with me that the build on this thing and the restoration was just outstanding. But the thing that really puts this car apart with the standard 73 Camaro is the performance. And that performance comes from a brand new engine, which is pretty doggone cool. Let's open this baby up so you can see it. Try and do this one-handedly. Okay, sorry about that. That's always tough to do. Just look at that. Basically got the Rally Sport engine in there, which looks like almost like a 302 motor in it, like a Z28 302. Nice ribbed valve covers, aluminum valve covers, and of course the headers. You can see down there a lot of little extras on this, overflow cap and stuff like that. And again, top to bottom on this thing, power brakes. Top to bottom, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So I think at this point, best part is let's go take this thing for a spin. This is truly an outstanding vehicle that runs perfectly and looks it too. Okay, let's take it for a spin. When you look at the inside of this car, it's also gorgeous everywhere you look. Top to bottom, seats are beautiful, dash is beautiful, headliner's gorgeous. It's got the shoulder harness seat belts up there, which is nice. Again, door jambs and everything like that. This car is just top level restoration. You see that little doodad right there? That is the bomb. That Tremec 5-speed. All the dash components work perfectly on this car. There's a nice sound to her. $85,057 miles. That's original. And just gorgeous inside here. Let's take this thing for a spin. here in wonderful Lake Las Vegas. It's actually in eastern Henderson. Beautiful little neighborhoods. And like I said, the stock horsepower on this car is 355, but I believe this particular car has a whole lot more than that. This thing screams. Pretty much stunning performance. Not pretty much, it is stunning performance. And it feels on the road excellent. I mean, when you actually drive this thing, it feels confident, very well sorted out. Doesn't feel like it's got any issues, no noises, anything like that. It's just solid and a lot of fun. 5-speed transmission sitting underneath this and 373 rear end posi traction. It's pretty badass. Best part about this vehicle is there's absolutely no rust. Anywhere you look on this car, top to bottom, there is absolutely no rust. She gets after it. It's a lot of fun. You know, I always tell myself when I put these things on auction that my goal is to have people enjoy them, have fun when looking at the videos and pictures, and also make a buying decision. You know, if you want to buy this thing, give me a holler. Let's make a deal. Sending me an email to ask me what my bottom line is, that's not how I work. It's a matter of what you're willing to pay. So if you want to buy this car, the only way to get a buying number out of me is to make a phone call and have a conversation with me. That is it. So if you want to get this car into your garage, let's have a phone call. Call me at 702-353-7500. And we'll have a great time talking about what you want to spend to get this car. It's a hell of a nice car with no complaints, and probably one of the best ones I've ever seen out there. So look forward to hearing from you. Again, that's Doug Williams, Viva Las Vegas Autos, 702-353-7500. See you next time.